Hi there, I am Mary Pouline and I'm excited to welcome you to Sapience Publications. Sapience means wisdom, and that's exactly what we help children develop alongside their knowledge. I founded this company back in 2017 because I wanted to make top-notch textbooks accessible and affordable for every child out there. Let me share a bit about our flagship products. We have the Wonder Kit for LKG and the Delight Kit for UKG. Starting with the Wonder Kit for LKG, it's a fantastic set of 8 books. It includes 3 term books and 3 workbooks, all designed to make learning fun. Our term books are called Kids Prodigy Books, packed with lessons on everything from colors and shapes to English, maths, science, sports, and general knowledge. The workbooks, which we call Eve workbooks, provide loads of exercises so kids can practice what they learn in class. And there's more. We also have Blossoming Buds, a cool coloring book, along with the Mazhalaiyar Padanool, Tamil book for a bit of cultural learning. Now, moving on to the Delight Kit for UKG, which has 9 books. This kit includes all the essentials from the Wonder Kit, but also features the Tender Tripod Cursive Writing book to help children develop their handwriting skills. Subjects covered include English, maths, science, sports, general knowledge, and Tamil. Plus, everything is color-coded, making it super easy to keep organized. What really sets Sapience apart? Our curriculum is built on 2 main pillars. First, there's our Photographic Memory Syllabus. We focus on visuals because at this early stage, kids connect better with images than with text. Each page in our term books has just 1 image to keep things simple and engaging. Then we have Pinky Phonics, which is our phonics-based approach to teaching English. It's all about letter sounds, which makes learning fun with stories, rhymes, and picture reading. English can be tricky, especially since it doesn't have a consistent relationship between letters and sounds. But phonics is a recognized method that helps kids learn effectively. Oh, and let's not our Pattum Padipum songs for Tamil, where we have created unique rhymes for each letter to aid recognition. Our term books also come with some neat features: teaching tips and Prodigy Points. They offer insights for teachers and enrich vocabulary for the kids, helping relate concepts to the real world. When it comes to digital learning, we've got you covered with the Sapience Windows Software for teachers and the Sapience Kids App for parents and kids to stay in the loop. Plus, we provide 24/7 WhatsApp support and periodical training programs for teachers. So, why choose Sapience? Because we are all about being child-friendly, affordable, and dedicated to ensuring learning outcomes. Ready to jump in? Happy learning, joyful living the Sapience way.